Hi guys, my name is Faisal. You are watching Technology in the Future. The OnePlus 9 series will arrive on March 23 and today the company revealed key details about the display of the phones. According to the official Weibo profile of the brand, the panel will be LTPO with adaptive refresh rate from 5Hz to 120Hz. The resolution of the screen is said to be 2K plus, which is how Chinese companies often misable QHD plus or 1440p. We expect to see both the OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro adopt the new screen technology, just like Oppo did with its Find X3 series. After all, there are plenty of similarities between these sets of flagships, including the fact they come out from the same factory. The brands are part of the same mixture too. On top of that, Samsung LTPO OLED panels are more power efficient than the regular AMOLED, bringing the battery consumption even lower. There are still 7 more days until the announcement, but with the current temp of official teaser, we are going to know everything about the new OnePlus 9 by the time the event begins. What we do expect to learn then is the price and availability, as well as if there is a mid-range OnePlus 9e by 9R, or the rumors were wrong. According to the data, LTPO is a different OLED production technology compared with the LTPS technology. LTPO has the advantage of higher charger mobility and faster pixel response, which makes the screen response faster and reduces the power consumption. Another major advantage of the LTPO screen is that it supports a high range refresh rate adjustment, and it can realize 120Hz adaptive refresh rate adjustment, which can be switched according to the usage plot, taking into account the needs of high refresh rate and low power consumption. It has been rumored that Apple will also provide LTPO screens for iPhone 13 Pro series to achieve a high refresh rate. The screen refreshes 13 display records. DisplayMate A Plus is still a good screen. The parameters are very good. True 10-bit 2K plus 120Hz. 8192 level brightness adjustment, automatic color temperature sensing. There are the first batch of LTPO flexible screens, which bring smart refresh rate and lower power consumption. The rest of the teaser are a bunch of camera samples from the various cameras on the rear of the OnePlus 9 Pro. The main camera on the OnePlus 9 Pro will be a custom developed Sony IMX789. While the ultra-wide will use a Sony IMX766. This is not the first time we have seen camera samples from the upcoming Hasselblad branded cameras on the OnePlus 9 Pro. Connected for more updates, and please subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon button. You will take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.